Are you looking for a fun and festive activity to keep the kids entertained this fall? Look no further than our Fall Pumpkin Patch Tic Tac Toe game Printable. Not only is it a great after-school activity, but also an ideal party favor for upcoming class parties or holiday gatherings.
Hey guys, welcome back to Hanging with the Kiddos Custom Party Favors. I'm Latoya. In this DIY tutorial, we're going to show you how to download and assemble our Fall Pumpkin Patch Tic Tac Toe game. So you're going to want to make sure you watch the entire video. Stay tuned.
Materials you'll need: our free Fall Pumpkin Patch Tic Tac Toe game. Printable. You can find the download link in the description box down below. Candy corn and mellow cream pumpkins. These colorful and sweet candies serve as the perfect game pieces. A printer, white card stock, or regular printer paper. We're going to print our cards out on matte photo paper, scissors, or paper trimmer. Optional: zipper seal bags. Great for packaging your game boards and candy pieces as party favors. Now that you have your materials ready, you'll need to head to our website. Scroll down to the free party printables section and locate the Fall Pumpkin Patch Tic Tac Toe blog post to get the free printable. The file is in PDF format, so make sure you have a PDF reader installed on your device. Now that we're all set with our materials and the printable is in hand, let's jump right into the steps for creating your very own Pumpkin Patch Tic Tac Toe game, shall we?
Alright guys, I hope you all enjoyed this tic-tac-toe game. It's actually one of my son's favorite games to play. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up.
If you decide to use our Pumpkin Patch Tic Tac Toe game at your next gathering or after-school activity, we'd love to hear about your experiences. Share your stories with us in the comments below or tag us in photos on social media. Remember, the link to download your free printable and all links to the materials used can be found in the description below.
Alright guys, thanks again for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when we post more videos. And see you next time. Bye.